Imagine a room where people from all walks of life gather around a large, heavy wooden table. They are sitting quietly, ready to learn from each other and build something new together. To construct something that actually lasts, you need different types of raw materials. And in this room, every single person holds a unique piece of that material, their own experiences, their own insights, their own half-formed thoughts. But if you have ever been in a typical planning meeting, you know what usually happens next. One confident, loud voice takes over the room, dominating the conversation and setting the entire agenda. When that happens, the quieter people at the table pull back. They second-guess their own thoughts, keep their materials hidden away, and those unique contributions are lost before they are ever even spoken. If we want to actually solve complex problems, we have to collect all of those raw materials first, long before anyone starts swinging a hammer or pouring concrete. If we don't actively protect everyone's right to speak up, a planning session is basically just a theatrical performance. People will simply repeat what they think the loudest person wants to hear, instead of doing the real work of collaboration. The most important rule of any creative session is keeping two very different actions completely separated: coming up with ideas and choosing which ideas to actually use. You cannot do both at the same time. This diagram shows what happens when we separate these stages. If you try to critique an idea the exact second someone shares it, the room goes completely quiet. It stops people from thinking freely. So we place coming up with ideas in one area and deciding in a completely separate zone, with a strict barrier in between. By keeping that barrier solid, we ensure nobody feels judged, allowing fragile ideas to naturally combine and grow. Instead of looking for flaws in a fragile new suggestion, the goal is to add to it. If someone shares a thought you disagree with, you see how you can build on it rather than immediately tearing it apart. One of the easiest ways to guarantee everyone gets a chance to build is to ask people to write their thoughts down in silence. This ensures the quietest people in the room have the exact same weight as the loudest. Making people feel secure enough to share those written thoughts and holding back criticism while they do it, that is a strictly human job. Technology cannot make someone feel heard or respected. Once people do feel safe enough to share, you run into a very different problem. You suddenly have hundreds of sticky notes and chaotic, unorganized thoughts flooding the table. This is where artificial intelligence becomes incredibly useful. You can think of it as a master ledger, an untiring assistant that excels at organizing all that messy human input. Before everyone even sits down, you can use AI to build a logical agenda and draft specific questions designed to challenge obvious assumptions and prevent the group from automatically agreeing with one another. And this animation shows what happens right after those ideas are created. Instead of spending hours manually sorting through the chaos, AI takes those hundreds of scattered contributions and instantly organizes them into clear, distinct categories. Once formed, it highlights thick, connecting lines between ideas that seemed completely unrelated just moments before. The creativity and the raw ingenuity still come entirely from the people in the room, but the technology ensures that every single sticky note and every quiet observation is captured and counted. By turning a massive, overwhelming pile of input into an organized blueprint, AI guarantees that none of that valuable human insight accidentally slips through the cracks. But even an organized blueprint is useless if it just sits on the table. The most common way a creative session fails is when a team comes up with great ideas, but never decides who is actually going to do the work. When people spend their energy contributing and then weeks go by with no clear next steps, timelines, or commitments, they notice. They become cynical, and the next time you ask for their input, they simply will not engage. We can use our master ledger one last time to prevent that. AI acts as a final scribe, taking the organized themes and instantly converting them into a clear summary, complete with concrete action items and specific dates for the team to check in. So instead of leaving the room overwhelmed by a chaotic pile of notes, the team gets up from the table with a unified, clear direction, entirely built on their shared input. When you carefully protect the environment so people can speak freely, and then use the right tools to capture and organize their thoughts, no single voice or observation gets left behind. Because when we organize our raw materials the right way, we guarantee that what one person figures out, the entire community gets to keep.